Now this question is another fraction problem. In this question, you're given a circle and a sector of the circle is shaded. And our goal is to find out what fraction of the circle represents this shaded region. The first thing to do will be to find out how many degrees does this shaded region represent. And to do that, I take 360, which is the full amount of degrees in a circle, and I take away the 285 that is shown in the question. And the answer that I should get is 75 degrees. Once that is done, I then now try to express that shaded region as a fraction. So I put 75 over 360 degrees. Now both of these numbers are divisible by 15. So 15 into 75 is 5, and 15 into 360 is 24. So our correct answer for this question is A. Now if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and comment below. Questions like these we posted weekly on YouTube. You can see the solutions by clicking the scroll icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now to access these slides, you will have to visit my website at knowledgescroll.com. In particular, you would have to go to exam preparation, and here you can see the slides on the website. You can scroll through, and just like I said before, if you click this icon in the bottom left hand corner, you'll be taken to the solution to the question on YouTube.